Hi and welcome. My name is Junaid Yunus. I am an ethical hacker and pen tester expert. I am your instructor in this course. This course is about ethical hacking, the real hacking course, which taught from basic to advanced. I will give you your lots of questions, answers about ethical hacking. Lots of people don't know what is hacking and what is hacker and why we perform hacking. So you have lots of questions in your mind. So you are going to get these answers in this course. So let's start. You think hacking means spelfy and thiefer. You don't know what is hacking. Hacking means bypass. Yes, hack means bypass. Hacking is identifying and exploiting weakness in computer systems or computer networks. We take example of a woodcutter. A woodcutter modify the wood as he wanted. So same as this, a hacker modify the computer as he wanted. So let's talk about hacker. What is hacker? A hacker is a person who finds and exploits weakness in computer systems and networks to gain access. So if we collect the smart definition about hacker, a person who enjoy modifying how a system functions and works. Hacker computer is very powerful and intelligent. This is something where you force a system to function in a manner other than what the design intended. So let's talk about types of hackers. There's some types of hackers which we call black hat hackers, white hat hackers, grey hat hackers, suicide hackers, and fake. Yes, black hat hackers. We call them crackers. Those types of hackers who works alone, which they have extraordinary computer, they having and who done malicious activity and he do it for fun. They are very bad types of hackers. Yes, they are. They earn money. We have bad habits of hacking something we call carding, bank hacking, lots of other illegal types of hacking they are involving. A hacker who gains authorized access to computer system for personal gain. The intent is usually to steal cooperative data, violate privacy rights, transfer funds from bank accounts. We call black hat hackers. Simply, we call them bad hackers, black hackers. Okay, so next, white hat hackers. They work with organizations and companies and they have skill to stop black hat hackers attacks. They protect from black hat hackers. They must be known as pen tester expert, same as I am, and they are cybersecurity expert. They use those tools. Which tools using black attackers? Yes, but they works with permissions and they works with organizations and government agencies and blah 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 blah. So let's talk about gray hat hackers. They do both types of hacking. When they are sitting beside someone, they are doing white hat hacking, and if they are alone, they are doing malicious activity, black activities, and we call them gray hat hackers. Next type is suicide hacker. Suicide hacker is those types of hacker who don't know the law of hacking and they don't know how to proper hacks works. They don't know which country have which types of hacking laws and which country having which one. He don't know about the rules of hacking. They don't know if they do some illegal hacks, so they get caught and they get to into jail, and that's called suicide hacker. So let's talk about fake. These types of hackers just use their hacking mind on phones, so they just use their mind on phone hacking, so we call them fake. So there are some hacking terms used in hacking in which we called vulnerability, red team, target, patch level, activism. So these are the hacking terms used in hacking. So let's talk about vulnerability. Vulnerability mean is rawness. So sometime some software, some system, some security system have some rawness, so that we call vulnerability, or those rawness, vulnerability or loopholes. So with these rawness or vulnerability or loopholes, any hacker can hack your systems. So next, red team. Red team is those type of team in which combine skilled hackers works. They every hacker have different skills, expert in their field, and they have expert in their field, so they makes a team, then they start to hack the organization or compute company or a bank and blah 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 blah, and that's it. So let's talk about target is that who have been hacked, whose system have been hacked, and who is the victim. So I'm going to hack someone, so he is my target. So talk about patch level. If we found some loopholes and rawness of a system, so we need to solve that loophole of a system, so that we called patch level. And activism, if hacker used to promote political agenda, or the mean, we can say reeking from someone, and he is going to promote something, and he is going to promote their political agenda in, and we call them activism. So this is the main introductory video about hacking. So you have I think you have lots of questions solved on your mind, and I will give you a lot more information in your upcoming lectures. So you just need to wait and watch and learn. Thank you.